Hey everybody, just wanted to walk you through how you can use SumoQuote for virtual sales presentations and for e-signing. So I've queued this up already so that as I enter into a Zoom meeting and I start sharing my screen with client, I've got their quote here ahead of time. And typically I'm going to load a few other PDFs of things that we may end up talking about, just in case the conversation goes there. So I start with my quote and I just start walking the client through it and explaining what's going on, talking about social distancing right now and how we're managing that. We've got a plan, we're being proactive and showing leadership in that area. And then educating them on their home, really taking them through their full presentation with their good, better, best options and even upgrades that they might want to select. So we're to the point here where they've selected upgrades and they've even selected colors. Now we can have a tab open on colors here. We could be talking about a referral program. The nice thing about Zoom is you can even have things queued up on another screen here so that as they're talking, you might want to talk about, hey, let's look at some of the pictures from your property. And you can walk them through your company cam account and show them the different pictures of their property, or even get them approved for financing as you're talking to them. So the nice thing with technology is you can have a lot of this stuff queued up ahead of time. So we've got this all queued up, homeowners ready to sign. We've agreed on everything. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to minimize this. And you can see in SumoQuote, we've already got this set up so that all we have to do is hit send for signing and it's ready to go. So homeowner, that's great. We've got it set up. I'm going to email you right now and let's get this signed off on. So I'll close that right now. And I'm just going to jump into my email here where I had sent this. So I can see Epic Roofing Exteriors has sent me a quote as the homeowner, right? I received a quote from Ryan with Epic Roofing Exteriors. Great. To review and sign the quote, click here. Questions, contact Ryan by replying to this email. And we go through, the homeowner would have this personalized to them and they can view the PDF right here. So they're going to receive this email as we're talking to them on Zoom. And all they have to do is hit this button and it's going to automatically open a tab in their browser, right? And when that tab opens, it's going to have your branding in there and the homeowner's information. They would have been able to view the PDF both through your presentation, attached to the quote, and if they scroll down, it's here again. But really, now we've moved on to this phase where we're getting them to sign this. So we can see, they've selected the better option here, and now they're going to go through. They're going to select ridge venting. They're going to select attic insulation as some optional upgrades. The roof color, they're going to type that in, and their notes. So they're going to say, please start next week, because everyone always wants you to start next week. And then they're just going to hit save and sign here, right? So they type in their name and they click sign quote. Now, the nice thing is with SumoQuote, you're going to be CC'd on all this stuff. So if I go back into the homeowner's email here, we can see that they've already gotten an email with a copy of the signed contract, right? So your quote from Epic Roofing has been signed. Here's the new quote total, including the upgrades that they selected. And we can see on here that all of the emails are going to the homeowner, but they're CCing the salesperson on it. So you as a salesperson are going to get that email at the same time that they sign it off, and you can review it and check it and make sure that they filled everything out all right. So e-signing is a great way to be doing all of this digitally right now. It's really easy to do through Zoom. Practice it a little bit so you get good at it. But how I walked you through that, that's a really natural way for you to do that with homeowners these days. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, hello@sumoquote.com. We'd be happy to walk you through more of this and talk you through some more suggestions. Have a great day.